Welcome to the ARIC quiz time. So ready for the today's question? With the discovery of electron microscopy, studies of many aspects of cellular structures and functions became possible, which had earlier been too small to be observed. All of the following would require the electron microscope for visualization except, and your options are, the structure of a bacteriophage, the matrix structure of mitochondria, the shape and arrangement of bacterial cells, and the last one is the pores on the nuclear membrane. And your answer would be the shape and arrangement of bacterial cells. Let's see why. Because the shape and arrangement of bacterial cells can be visualized with the help of light microscopy. So the rest of the options are incorrect, as virus and cell organelles, these are too small to be seen by light microscopy. So our answer would be the shape and the arrangement of bacterial cells. Thank you so much.